Mutt gets the window seat. Stop fiddling with that thing. Sit up straight. Remember, you're a Grand Duchess.
And how do you know what great duchesses do or don't do?
I make it my business to know.
Oh.
Look, Anya, I'm just trying to help, all right?
Dimitri, do you really think I'm royalty?
You know I do.
Then stop bossing me around.
She certainly has a mind of her own.
Yeah, I hate that in a woman. Look, I think we got off on the wrong foot.
Well, I think we did too.
Okay.
And I appreciate your apology.
Apology? Who said anything about an apology? I was just saying that we...
Just don't talk anymore. It's only going to upset me.
Fine. I'll be quiet. I'll be quiet if you will.
All right, I'll be quiet.
Fine.
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 Fine. So you think you're gonna miss it?
Miss what? You're talking?
No. Russia.
Nope.
But it was your home.
It was a place I once lived. End of story.
Well, then you must plan on making Paris your true home.
What is it with you and homes?
Well, for one thing, it's something every normal person wants. And for another thing, it's a thing that you,
What?
well, you know, just forget it.
Fine.
Oh, thank goodness it's you. Please remove him from my sight.
What have you done to her?
Me? It's her.
Oh no. An unspoken attraction.
Attraction? With that skinny little brat? Have you lost your mind?
I was only asking a simple question.
Attraction? Ridiculous.